Salam and good morning, dear colleagues. I'm making this short video to show you how to schedule the midterm exam on Blackboard. This time we're going a step ahead, like we can schedule the exam before the time. So for instance, we're going to send you the exam an hour or two before the exam time, so you can schedule it easily, like without any hassle or hurry. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your email. Go to the email, you will be receiving a midterm exam from your course coordinator, so just click on the email, save the file, download this file and save it. So it usually goes to the download folder. You can save it wherever you want to. You can, if you see it here, you can see show in folder, just to make sure. This is here, so I downloaded it before also, so I'll just delete all the other files just to make sure like there's only one file here. So this is the folder which I downloaded. I put it down. Go to the Blackboard now. Go to the course or section you're supposed to upload the exam. So let's say we go to one of these sections. We go to section 24 here. So now these steps start. They are not much different from what you did for the quiz, but it is just to refresh and remind the options, so just to make sure like we're doing it correct. So there are two steps, two phases here. The first thing, you have to go to the course tools here under the course menu, course tools options. Once you click here, there's an option test, surveys and pools. Click here and then you go to the options here, tests. Once you go to tests, import test, forget about whatever is here, just import the test here. Import test and browse local files. So this option here, browse, click on it, choose the folder. Please do not open the folder, just select and click open, or just double click. Either way it will work. So once you do a double click, the folder has been imported here. Now you click submit. You can see the folder is showing up here. So it's been imported here. So click submit. And the import process should be completed here. Yes, it is. So the test has been imported. The first stage is done. You click OK. Now the second stage starts. Go to the content area. This little plus sign here. Click on content area and create, you can say ENG002 or 001, whatever. Let's do midterm exam, for example. Always remember to make it available to user. So click available to users, submit. Now you can see this is displaying here under the content area. You can see it here, content area 002 midterm exam. The step here is now is the first option you need to do. Go to assessments and then test, assessment, test. You can see the test we imported is here, 002 exam. Do not choose the old one because there might be another exam staying here, so you need to choose the correct file here. Please make sure. So this is the midterm exam we just imported. Click and submit, and here you choose the exam option. This is important now because we will be choosing an option to schedule the exam, so please watch it carefully. The first step here shows the test description, yes. Open test in new window, yes. Make it available to students, yes. Add a new announcement, yes. Multiple attempts, no, do not check it. Force completion, do not check it, please. Set timer, yes, 90 minutes. Auto submit, on. Alright, this is the point which I wanted to focus on, the scheduling option. So you can check both of these options and then choose the correct date and correct time. So the exam will display after that until that time. So for example, the exam is on Tuesday 9th March at 9 AM. So you can choose the date and time. So let's do it here. So Tuesday, what time? 9 AM. Until what time? 9th March, 10:30. So it's a 90-minute exam, so we make it 10:30. Do not give any extra time because we've already given like 15 minutes extra, including this, like the time you have 90 minutes. It already has an extra time, so do not give any extra time. 90 minutes means 90 minutes, so it starts 9 a.m. and it closes at 10:30 a.m. So this is the option you have to choose this time to make it available. You can do, for example, an hour before the time, but put the correct time. Move on to the next options. Please make sure you do not check any of these options. So if it is checked, uncheck it. So here, none of the options should be checked. So all of these options should be unchecked because we don't want the feedback to go to the students at this stage. This one is very important here. One at a time, and prohibit backtracking. Some of you might get both of these options together, so just check it. Make sure you do not show them all at once, otherwise the whole purpose of doing an exam on Blackboard is gone in vain. So this one at a time, prohibit backtracking, and do not check it, please. Do not check the last option here, randomization. And submit. Before submit, you can just review the options. The most important is the displaying option of the schedule, so make sure the date and time, and then you submit. Bismillah. You can see it here now. The 002 exam is here. Availability item is hidden from students. It will be available after 9th March 9 a.m. So you see we scheduled, and it will display to the students after that time. So this is it. I hope everything goes fine and wish you all the best and the students the best, inshallah. Thank you very much and take care. Assalamu alaikum.